Actually, what I would like is a big bag so I can carry.
Hello, sir.
Hey, how are you? What are you selling?
Yeah. Ladies.
Ladies?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you have for the ladies.
Jacket?
It's a ladies' jacket?
Yeah.
How much is the ladies' jacket?
This one 2,500.
Ooh, what about 1,000?
1,000, no jacket. 1,000 only t-shirt.
This t-shirt is 1,000.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
This one, 1,000.
I see, but I'm interested in the jacket.
2,000.
Is this a nice color for a girl?
Nice color, two colors. This one, this one. This one.
What about 1,200?
No, sir.
Yes,
This
yes,
one,
sir.
2,000.
2,000?
Yeah.
What about 1,400?
No. This one fixed price.
It's fixed price?
Yeah.
But I got this one, look. For 2,000, it's North Face.
Other quality.
It's good quality.
Yeah, good.
So this 2,000 for this is too much.
This one gents, this one ladies. Ladies 2,000.
Ladies is more expensive?
Yeah.
What about 1,500?
How are you come from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Yes.
Yeah, Sweden.
What about
Yeah.
1,500 for this one?
No, sir. I go to the Sweden.
You go to Sweden?
Yeah.
And how much did you pay for this in Sweden?
This one to 2,000.
What about 1,600?
No, sir.
No deal?
Denmark. I go Denmark.
Yes, you've been to Denmark, but how 2,000 is your last one?
Never country. Sweden and Denmark.
Yeah, Sweden is the newer country. Yeah. Did you like it there?
Like.
Okay.
Very like.
All right. Okay, I'll continue on then. Thank you.
Okay.
Well, we can't find a deal every time. So let's continue and see if we can find a deal. Hello. Bye. Ooh, 20 minutes in. Oh, hello. How's it going? You okay?
Sweden city. This one.
Oh, that's your photo from Sweden.
Yeah.
Listen, I never doubted you. I believe that you went to Sweden. I believe you. Did you like Finland or Sweden best?
Yeah.
Where you like best? Finland?
Sweden.
Sweden. All right. Good luck. I've actually lost track of what I have bought now, and seeing as I don't even know the age of his kids.